Today feels like it's going to be good. It's somewhat sunny for Sodor, and the wind's not too bad either, so the coastal route won't be a pain.
I hear ya. It's a shame we don't have more days like today. What are you doing on the coastal route anyway? I get it's a beautiful line, but you're never really over on that side of the island anymore.
Well, after this train, I have nothing else to do, so Topham's giving me the rest of the day off because of how hard I worked along the branch recently. I was going to check in on Percy and see how he's managing.
I heard he's not actually doing too well. I think the stress of the place has gotten to him over the past fortnight.
All the more reason for me to go over there and check on him then.
Ah, James, meet Lady. She's our new shunter here. I decided that the work warranted its own dedicated engine. Hello?
Hello. Is he alright, Sir Topham?
I don't know. Anyway, James, leave those trucks there. There's a passenger train waiting for you at Welchworth. Be quick now. Thomas, I've just seen the most beautiful engine. Yeah, Rosie does have very stunning paintwork. No, not her. There's a new engine at the harbour. She's called Lady. She's the most beautiful engine I've ever seen. But I think I weirded her out. What did you do? I just stared at her, didn't say anything. That controller was there too. Oh, I really have made a fool of myself. Listen, confidence is key, but overconfidence isn't. I know you cross that line a lot, so just make sure she's enjoying your company. You should go and speak with her later. Thanks, Thomas. Anytime.
We've scoured this area here. No bombs of any kind to report. I think we should do one last check on the hill before we're finished for the day.
But I've got a passenger train in 10 minutes. Duck, are you doing anything?
No, I can't say I am.
Take my passenger train, please. And if you could help Toby out in the quarry, that'd be really helpful. I'm stuck on bomb duty.
Of course I can, mate.
Oh, thanks, Duck. You are a lifesaver.
Yep, lifesaver, that's me alright.
Percy? Percy! Are you okay?
I've had to pull so many trains today, and it's barely afternoon. I'm so worn out.
Well, I can take that for you. Have a nice long drink, Percy. You look like you need it.
Oh, thank you. Oh, what would I do without you?
Die from boredom.
Lady?
Yeah?
Sorry about being weird before. I thought I was gonna sneeze or something. I hope you feel very welcome here, and I'd like us to be friends.
That's nice.
Are you okay?
I'm just busy. Go on and pull your coaches or something.
These old parts are playing up today. My brakes keep slipping on randomly. I've asked Sir Topham for new ones, but he doesn't seem too bothered.
Oh, give it time and he will. Knowing him, he'll probably take you being blown to bits to get him to notice.
Too true, old boy. Anyway, I got a hill to climb. See you later.
Bye, Edward.
Sorry, Rosie. Points are jammed. I'll try and fix them.
Oh well, at least I can have a break for a minute or two.
We need this taken off the island as soon as. Alfred will be waiting by the viaduct. Meet him there. And Thomas, take it slow.
Yes, sir.
Whoa!
Damn it! That's not good.
No, I'm chasing it.
There we go. Good as new.
Finally!
Rosie, look out!